This is supposed to be full of water. God, that's low. I really need a wee. Alright, 600 meters in and we've made a wrong turn. But there is this trod here, so I think loads of people have done exactly the same thing. Doing super well today. Wrong turn in the first 600 meters, and we've left the sandwiches in the fridge. So,
boo!
We are surviving the day on Coke, dried mango, Leo Lions from Aldi, and Kendall mint cake. A nutritionally complete day of food. I mean, glucose is a vitamin, right? Alex is being very trusting. I'm just leading him on a trod that's going into literally the middle of nowhere. Could be a serial killer. The midges are bad.
But I'm still alive. Not murdered yet?
Yeah, Alex is currently still alive. Hasn't been taken out by the mysterious serial killer. Our destination is in sight. We are nearly an hour and a half in. We have seen nobody. We're nearly at Grinnerstones.
Roads are quiet.
Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to Jess's magical trod tour of Bleaklow.
Such riz.
Speaking of, we can see the upper bit of the trod, but we can't see the lower bit of the trod. Let's figure out where it is. Or just wade through heather.
The trod is where you set your feet.
Yeah. The trod is where the heart is.
Today's heather is tomorrow's trod.
Trod located. Locked and loaded. I think I probably need some sugar. We climbing. Alright, we're gonna sit down and have a snack here, but within seconds of that, there are bugs swarming. So I think we're gonna be having a snack on the move, which isn't super ideal. Would have been nice to hang around here for a bit longer. But no, the midges have other ideas for us. Here's the rain. And just like that, the visibility is dropping quite quickly. I don't think it'll get too bad. I think we'll still be able to see a good enough distance in front of us.
Famous last words.
Famous last words. It's alright, I know where I am, I promise. And that wasn't a fell runner, I know where I am. I genuinely know where I am. Weird rocks.
Big rock.
So I think they're called the Bullstones, but I might have that wrong. If I remember to put some text on the screen and I've got it wrong, then some text will appear on the screen. Probably about now. Maybe covering my entire face or something.
At least we got the good views before it started raining.
Aye aye. I planned it specially like this so that Alex could get the full Peak District experience. How are you enjoying the full Peak District experience?
Will anyone believe me if I say yes?
No, I don't think they'll believe you if you say yes.
And I guess I have the same sort of mental illness you do.
Making our way back down. Just heading down the shooting track that runs down from near Grinnerstones. It's just because of the weather, it's pretty wet. It seemed like a not super smart idea to kind of keep walking northward. You're right there, Alex. I'm not really sure what's... Oh, he stopped, right. Okay.
Don't film me.
Second I've turned the camera around.
That was a private wiggle.
Capture his weird behaviour. He stops.
That was a wiggle for you and you alone.
Oh, I see. Anyway, just moving on from talk of wiggling. Yeah, just from... because it is pretty wet. Like, it's been raining very consistently for quite a while now. It didn't seem amazingly sensible to keep heading north and head to the Derwent and then follow the Derwent down, which is the original plan. This is kind of the backup plan. So we'll just head down back to the road next to Howden Reservoir and yeah, head back to the car from there, I think.
Yeah, this is really nice. Oh, hi.
Okay.
Never mind. We'll edit that out.
Edit what out?
The positivity.
Who will carry the boats?
They don't see me working hard, nor do they see my Arc'teryx logo on my jacket. Like, I'm getting no street cred here.
You just really planned this outfit poorly. Like I said, you're going to have to go back and buy a whole new vest that lets your Arc'teryx logo be visible to the world. And that's what you've got to say when you go into the shop. Like, I need a new running vest, but everyone has to be able to see my Arc'teryx logo.
I have to see what a weekend wallet warrior I am.
Yes, definitely. 4 hours? Still haven't fucking seen anyone. No complaints, obviously.
Zero.
Except
for all the complaints.
Except for all the complaints.
Yeah.
There are no complaints. I suspect it probably has something to do with the fact it's been sort of steadily pissing it down for probably like 2.5 hours now. I think around that
What is
kind
time?
of time. Yeah. I don't really know. I know how much time has passed because it tells me on my watch. And that's about it. Yeah, we're wet.
So moist.
Much moist. Many moist. The moist ones. I'm gonna stop. On the road again. It's heading back to the car.
The dry, warm car.
Hopefully.
It's gonna be wet when I get in it.
Yeah, it'll be very wet.
Usually the case. Well, hey.
You're making lots of sense. All our conversation is very logical and sensible at this stage. And,
we'll have high brain function going on here.
Yeah. Some high tier, deep, intellectual conversation. but I'll probably leave it here because they're just walking along a wet road, and that's not especially interesting. So, thank you for watching, and catch you next time. Bye.